Hey guys, and today it's me again, and today we're going to be opening some squishies. I ordered one, my strawberry, but the chain got it during packaging, but that's fine because over the days I took it out, but that kind of came off, as you can see, but it's pretty good. It's a nice size strawberry. So I got this from Banggood. And yeah, so let's open this. I can. With the stretching material. Oh, look at this mystique of this. This key. So let's open this cat. Also got a kiwi squishy, guys. Aren't you excited? Kiwi's kind of hard to get a hold of. The eye-green is really hard to get a hold of. I'm living. It's so soft. Do y'all hear this? I think I like this one more. This is adorable. This is 4 inches. This is nice. Like, look at this. Compare it to my hand. That's big. Let's open the second one, guys. I almost said. I didn't know what color it was going to come in, but I think this might be my Kiwi squishy. Super excited for this. It is. It's the mini bun, and this was $4, guys. That is a good price, so here's the packaging. Kind of cute. Let's open this up. That's so slippery. Look at this. No way. This is a good size squishy though. My first mini one, and guys, this is my squishy collection. I haven't ordered mini squishies, but I'm hoping in a couple months I'm ordering Amazon. And it says Hebrew there. So, that's nice. It's having too much fun with the slow rising squishy. Hold on, I'll smell these. Oh, is this scented? Let me check. I think this might be scented. I can't smell. It's scented. It smells like bananas. This is awesome. They're all from the United States. This one's pretty fast. Okay. It's just that spot takes, for some reason, forever. Look at this. This one kind of smells like really clean and nice. Now, they had a little malfunction here, as you can see. And guys, me and my friends are going to be doing a squishy day on the 26th of February, which is a Monday, guys. So, if you can bring honey squishes to school and let all your friends know, go do that right now. Text them. say, if you have squishies, do squishy day with me because it is amazing. Like a jumbo squishy. This is cute. This is cute. Kind of worn out, but it's cute. And guys, to be in it, you have to at least have one squishy. One squishy. So if you don't, go ahead and order one from Bang Good. These are all from Bang Good. I couldn't show you this packaging because I got it like 3 weeks ago. So this one came in like 4 days of shipping. This came in about 3 weeks, but I totally understand. It's from somewhere in the U.S. So cute. It's from a place I don't know of, so I am ordering from there again. I know I am. If you know what that noise is in the background, that's my cat, actually. If you didn't know. My cat. Look at that. So soft. This one's adorable. I'm loving this K-Grill. It smells like bananas. I am not going to hang this on my backpack because kids at school literally, like if you hang it on your backpack, I'm not joking guys, like if you hang it on your backpack, they're going to go, rip. Oh, I accidentally ripped your squishy off your backpack on a chain. Here it is. Boy, K-Brew is not something to rip. Not, guys. When I saw this in the mail, I was like, oh, is this my squishies? So I squished it. This is what it felt like in the package. Oh, here's a Bang Good receipt. Invoice. Sorry, guys, I cannot show you my address. Oh, 11 centimeters. That's probably 4 inches. I'm pretty sure, right? This squishy right here was $3.68, which is a good deal for this really cute kawaii squishy. Let me see this packaging. Let me make sure this was the right price. This squishy is $4.49, which is a good price for a scented squishy, and it's K-Brew. So look at this. Cat! Let's go get that cat. I'm gonna bring this squishy with me. My brother doesn't know that I got more squishies. Oh. Whoa, I scared this cat. Come on. Hey. So I'll show you my cat, guys. That's my little kitty. Aww. She's a great cat. And guys, we were recently trying to build a house, like move. So my brother doesn't know. I'm planning on not telling him because he will try to literally rip my squishies. Oh, I love this cat. Like, it's a fast rising squishy, but it's so adorable. I forgot to give her water. Let's go, guys. Yes, this video is probably going to be like 10, 11, 12, maybe 13 minutes long. I'm not sure, guys. I'm never sure. whoa, that was way too fast. Crazy cats, guys, like, seriously. More racket to deal with, guys, like, what the frick? Oh, I'm so sorry. What the heck? Hold on. I want to open this. Get some good lighting. I feel like this good lighting. Let me see. A little further back. So. So guys, this is the cat. Let's compare it to my hand. Here's the Keebler squishy. The whole thing. It's a little chain. See? And here's my strawberry. Plain strawberry. Sorry for the rip. That's a big defect. And guys, look at these defects. Just in 3 weeks, imagine everybody touching this and getting all of these defects. You see that? Just not doing that, you can see how many defects people have done to this. Like, look. There's nail marks. Let me find a nail mark right there. Look. There's that defect. There's that. I'm not sure if this was a person or what. Like, if this was a person, I'm very disappointed because, like, this beautiful, nothing else. Wyatt.
Yes? They came in!
Yeah, I came in. I'm doing a video on it. Who's in the backyard? That someone's back there.
That's me. So, Ellie, I can have mine?
No, I still gotta order my Amazon. But don't worry, you cannot touch this one. It is white. Okay?
Okay. Are you still making a video?
Uh-huh. This one smells like bananas.
Ugh.
It's like a banana pie kind of smell, but it's a Keebler squishy. And it's called the Mini Bun. Mini Bun. Oh, it's a scented right there. So guys, that's it for the video, and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. What type of squishies should I order next? Because, like, I'm getting a new strawberry that's bigger than this, and I'm going to get a panda. So, see ya!